Hello, my name is Radwan, and I'll be doing a quick demo of the Annoying Little Duck project. Laura, Marissa, and I have created a project that could potentially annoy many Windows users. So, at the core of our project is a piece of hardware called a rubber ducky. Now, a rubber ducky is a human interface device, an HID, that pretends to be a keyboard and is disguised as a USB thumb drive. So what that means is it's really easy to put a script that you want on there, walk up to someone's unlocked computer, and while no one's looking, plug in the rubber ducky, wait a few seconds for it to finish its script, unplug it, and just walk away unnoticed. So I'll be doing a quick demo of that. But first, as you can see here, we have a Windows 7 VM, fresh install. It has updates and Java, but other than that, nothing else is on here. Let's see. So first, let's take a look at the start menu or the startup folder. So nothing in here, so nothing executes on startup. And if we go to Internet Explorer, we go to, let's say we want to go to Yahoo, and it works. So everything looks normal so far. So hopefully that'll change. Oh, and also we have these icons over here. I'll explain this keylogger later, but first let's plug in the rubber ducky. Okay, so that sound means it got plugged in, and now in a few seconds you should see things, yep, just like now things are happening, and we'll wait for it to finish. Okay, and the rubber ducky has finished the script. Now, as you can see here, we just executed a shutdown command, or a restart command actually. So in less than 30 seconds, the VM's gonna shut off. Well, let's cancel that. Actually, I'll just let it restart. There we go. So yeah, it's restarting. Now, while it's restarting, I'll show you the script we use. So we use this online encoder, and put this over. There we go. All right. So I'll save this here so I could cancel the restart. All right. So yeah, here's our script. We also had another one that would rotate the screen, but it doesn't work on the VM for some reason, so I had to take it out for the demo. But it should be in the GitHub repository. So as you can see, Windows will shut down less than a minute, and that's because we have these two in here. So I'll just cancel the restart. And if someone doesn't know how to do that, or they don't know where the startup folder is, they may never figure out how to keep their computer restarting 30 seconds after they turn it on. But yeah, so on startup, this will also pop up, Bart telling you to lock your computer. And let's see what else it did. These icons are not clickable. And let's say for some reason they're a Yahoo user. So if you try going to Yahoo, it points them back to Google. So yeah, just a few annoying things. So yeah, we got the wallpaper prank. Just sets the icons to invisible. Takes a screenshot before that though, and then just goes to Paint and sets that screenshot as your background. Directs you to Google. This is one of the IPs for Google, of course. The restart prank and Bart. So that was it for the rubber ducky. Now for the keylogger. Let's see. Let's fix this actually. So we were going to incorporate the keylogger with the rubber ducky, but to do that, we would have had to flash firmware on the rubber ducky to be able to put files on it. And the instructions online weren't completely clear. Ideally, we would have, flashed the firmware, uh, put the keylogger on the ducky, and then when we plugged in the ducky, it would copy the keylogger onto the computer and add a script to execute the keylogger on startup. But instead, I'll just show how the keylogger works independently. So to do that, we have to first, oh yeah, again, here's our keylogger on our desktop. So we'll go to our desktop. To execute it, we type Java with a W at the end. That keeps it running in the background. So dash jar and then keylogger.jar. So there, it's running, and we can close this. So the keylogger takes screenshots every time you click, and of course it records your keystrokes. And right now it sends an email every minute. So I'll just log into the email account we were using. So go here. And this looks like it's it. So yeah, as you can see, this is what I typed. Hack the planet, number pad 4, number pad 6. Press the left shift key, the number 2, and then release it. So this would translate to at gmail.com. As you can see, I made a typo. And then hack it didn't finish, but as you can see, it records it properly. And if you, for some reason, can't get the email working, like I say, the computer isn't on an internet connection, you could always come back later and then extract the logs. So, for example, .com, and then here's the hack the planet 46t Gmail as the password for the email account. And the screenshots, let's go here actually. We'll use this version. So we'll download the screenshots. Let's save them. Open the folder. So here's the screenshot they got. And it takes this, for this demo, it takes a screenshot every 5 clicks. So that way you're not spammed with a whole like gigabytes of screenshots. But so yeah, so as you can see, here's the screenshot. The blue box represents where the mouse is, so the mouse was somewhere like that. But yeah, it works pretty well. So I believe that's it for our demo. All the code will be uploaded to the GitHub, and hopefully everything should be clear. So thanks for watching.